When I think of bells, I think of all things Christmassy, like Santa and sleigh rides and ho 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 and jingle bells. Ding go the bells, dong go the bells, ring go the bells too. But what I want is jingle bells to say Merry Christmas to you. Jingle bells. Now, do you think any of these bells will make a jingly sound? Let's try. This handbell makes a sort of a ding sound. And this cowbell, well, a dong sound. Now, ding and dong are great sounds, but they're not jingly, are they? What about this really big bell? A ding sound. Definitely a ding sound. And look at these bells. They don't even look like bells. It's a good sound, but maybe I need a really small bell to make a jingly sort of a sound. It's a tinkle, it's close, but I know I need some really little bells. Yeah. Ding go the bells, dong go the bells, ring go the bells too. But what I want is jingle bells to say Merry Christmas, yes, to you. I found one, a jingle bell. He's a bit lonely by himself though. He needs his friends. You can't have a Christmas party without friends, can you? Ding go the bells, dong go the bells, ring go the bells too. But what I want is jingle bells to say Merry Christmas. Here we go, to you. Ah, cool! Jingle bells for that special Christmassy jingle bell sound. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas.
Ho, 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 says Santa, when he's feeling well. Achoo, says Santa, when he's not so swell. Tomorrow is Christmas, what are we going to do? Got to deliver the presents.